So Pakistan, the World Cup in 1980, Australia-Pakistan history was a Makna Wakayan, one of the best bowling sides, second Mushtaq, Ijaz Ahmed, Inzamam Haq. This is player. This is a new coach. I think so really is the Pakistani batting. Fakhar Zaman is good batsman. The under pressure team in Asia Cup. And the North situation 2020 World Cup, England, there's some of the great in its 6 matches. The Pakistan coach, very important, failing. Mithya said many tension coach in Pakistan. Yes, Northern Pakistan coach, Mohsin Khan, a big coach, Pakistan country, and Zair Bas, filling coach. Yunus Khan, one of the best in 10,000 run test matches, race game, 23400, big player. The Pakistan Asia condition coach, and English coach, Pakistani training, pressure, building a momentum, team and media, the situation marketing side. Pakistan. The new system coach, I think it's a grand floor, much better pressure coach. Then lose the series. Pakistani batsman in the middle order and then opening stop. This is a challenge. There's a good balanced question. Pakistan, Fakhar Zaman and just magic opening, very good situation. Very good form for player Pakistan. This is very cool. No send Yunus Khan, no send Mishkal Haq. Not in Hafiz, the Pakistani batting middle order and the problem. Partnership already won test matches, they began. So change matches running Raj and only catching the Jenny Melson. Matches for it, very enjoyment, the tanker matches.